Guys, share ko lang sa inyo ulit, no? Pintor dito sa Cyprus. My friend, you are a Syrian.
What?
Syrian, you are?
I am what?
You are a Syrian?
Yes, I'm Kurdish. You know Kurdish?
Okay.
Kurdish, you know?
Nagaso. Tira sang mga pintor dito sa Cyprus. Ipayo, wala pulse, wala sang mintis na pulso guys. Nakita natin sila guys kung ilang sweldo sang pintor dito sa Cyprus. Kasi kung okay man di, tilawan taman. My friend, and I asked you how much the salary?
The salary
Yeah.
here in Cyprus?
Yes.
Mine.
Yes.
Mine is 70 euro.
How much?
70.
70 euro per day.
70 euro per day.
Oh, tangin.
Yes.
Sipin mo. Sip. Guys, 70 euro per day.
It's too much. No, it's not too much.
In the Philippines, my friend, it's too much.
In Philippines?
Yes.
No, you have to count as you are living in Cyprus.
But in the Philippines is too much.
In
Philippine money. Philippine money.
Yes, but you are now in Cyprus. So you cannot compare
Yes.
Cyprus to
Philippines. Yes.
For here, it's nothing.
It's not okay.
You have
Because
to pay 100 euro per day to live
good.
normally and good in Cyprus.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. 70 euro guys. 70 euro guys per day.
It's cheap.
Times mo sa 67 guys. Kamu na bahala kung pila. 70 times 67 guys per day.
How much is the salary?
Magkano yung monthly niya guys? I think nasa 100,000 plus. Yung monthly niya sa Philippine peso.
Per month?
Yeah, per month.
In Philippines, how much if I will go there and work as a painter? How much they will pay?
700 pesos per day.
700 pesos?
Per day.
And how much is the 700 pesos?
Here,
Yes?
I think 15 euro.
15 euro?
Yeah. 15 euro.
Why? So cheap.
So, too much cheap.
But in the money of Philippines is good, right? 700 pesos or not?
It's good.
Good.
Yeah, it's good. Me, I'm a painter in the Philippines.
Yes.
Yeah,
What did you?
that's my work.
Paint.
Paint. Yes, paint. Painter. Guys, 700. €70 per day. Per day na Ang equivalent sa 70 euro. Times mo sa 67 sa piso. 70 times 24 times 67. Magkano na guys? Okay. Comment na lang ba kung magkano ang buwan ng sweldo niya. 70 euro per day. Okay. Salary reveal from Cyprus.